Hello friend, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, we are going to discuss of class 6 standard English chapter first peace and harmony. Friend, we will complete all the question answer of this chapter. Now let's start of this chapter. The first question: how were the animals before the jackal entered the forest? And pick out the words. Friends, the first answer of this chapter: before the jackal entered the forest, all the animals lived happily together. There was peace and friendship among them. They loved and helped one another and spent their lives without fear. The words that describe their moods are happy, peaceful, friendly, and carefree. The forest was full of joy and harmony before the jackal disturbed their lives. Second question of this chapter: what happened to the animals after the jackal came to the forest? Answer of second question: after the jackal came to the forest, the peaceful atmosphere of forest changed completely. The animals became afraid, worried, and confused. The jackal created misunderstanding among them, and this stopped trusting one another. As a result, quarrels and fear spread everywhere in the forest, and the animal could no longer live happily. Third question: what was the jackal's plan? How did it succeed? Third answer: the jackal's plan was to create fear and division among the animals so that he could easily control and harm them. So he told lies and spread confusion among the animals. His evil plans succeeded because the animals trusted his clever words and did not try to find out the trust at first. Their lack of unity made it easier for the jackals to carry out his wicked plan. Question number 4: what did the animals do to check the jackal's evil design? Answer 4: to check the jackal's evil design, the animals became alert and united. They carefully observed the jackal's behavior and discussed the matter among themselves. Finally, they understood that the jackal was deceiving them for his selfish purpose. By working together wisely, they were able to expose his evil intentions and protect themselves. Question number 5: how was the moon disguised? Why did he choose that forms? Answer 5: the moon was disguised as a sadhu or holy man. He chose that form because a sadhu is respected by everyone and is considered wise, kind, and truthful. The moon wanted to teach the animals an important lesson and guide them towards peace. By taking the form of a sadhu, he could easily gain the trust of both the animals and the jackal. Question number 6: why did the sadhu ask the jackal to take him for his meal? Would you do the same if you were in his place? Answer 6: the sadhu asked the jackal to take him for his meal because he wanted to save the innocent animal of the forest. He was ready to sacrifice himself so that others could live in peace and safety. His act showed his kindness, bravery, and selflessness. If I were in his place, I would also try my best to help and protect others from danger. Question number 7. What did the sadhu teach the animals in the forest? Answer 7. The sadhu taught the animals the importance of unity, peace, love, and wisdom. He advised them not to trust evil and cunning people blindly. He also taught them that living together with cooperation and understanding makes everyone stronger and happier. His teachings help the animals restore peace and harmony in the forest. Question number 8. Do you think the sadhu sacrificed his life for the sake of animals in the forest? Answer 8. Yes, I think the sadhu sacrificed his life for the sake of animals in the forest. He was willing to face danger himself in order to protect the innocent creature from the cruel jackal. His actions showed great courage and kindness. Through his sacrifice, he saved the animals and brought peace back to the forest. Friend, it was very interesting and fantastic story, and I completed all the question answer of this chapter, and there are 8 questions, and I completed 8 answers of this question. I hope, and you will find a very easily of this all answers, and so friend, I once again request you, please kindly please like, subscribe and share of this channel. Thank you so much.